Hello, this is Greg doing a kind of a little review. I just purchased a KAIWEETS circuit breaker finder, the KT301P. It's 301P. I don't know where the O I got out of that. KT301P. So, and it's not empty. It's right here. Comes in a nice carrying case. I've already been messing with it. So hopefully this will be a quick review. What it comes with, the kit that I bought, I purchased directly from KAIWEETS, and it is right here, $49. It's sold out right now, but it'll definitely come back. And I got all the stuff with it, all the things that you see on the screen there. Here is the plug it into a, you screw this into your light fixture, then you can go to a 3-prong and use it that way. Here's this is actually quite nice. They didn't go cheap on this, which it goes through 110, so that's good. But you can plug these into the blank wires. My focus doesn't seem to be, there we go. So you can plug this into the, hook it right up to the wires. There we go. And it comes with directions. Here's the unit. I already put batteries in. Go in with, remove this little screw, 2 AAA batteries. Same with the outlet. Turn it on, just hold the button down. It comes on, and it goes right into a learning mode. If you hold the top button down, it goes into the NCV, so you can come over here to any plug-in and tell whether it's live or not. Then you just push it again, and it goes right back into learning. This set here, you power it on, and this is an isolation setup that I have right here. It goes through an isolation transformer into this power strip, and then I don't know if you've watched many of my videos, I kind of use this thing to tell watts and stuff when I test some power strips. But I can plug this into it, and I get a green light. And then say you don't, this is what I love about it. I can't put that to the camera really well, but I can just take it off and show you. Let me see, where are we at? It's not coming out very good, is it? Focus. Right there. And that gives you all the information. Tells you the plug, all of it. Let me see if I can do a little. Ooh. Oh, look at that. There we go. 123.7. It's still sending a signal. Those are volts. There's my line. Neutral. It's correct. And then the E is ground, I guess. I'm not sure how they do that. I do like these new cameras. So now to find a circuit, what we will do is we'll take this. I can't plug it into here, but I can plug it in over here to this little power bar. And there we go. And this is already in the learning mode. Let's switch to, let's see if we can make this right here a little bigger. And that's, my power panel is, there we go. My power panel is right back there. But hopefully you'll be able to hear the thing beeping. So, okay, it's in learn. So I'm going to slowly go over the things. Even if I get a beep, I'm just going to keep moving. Go over to the next one. Okay, and now it says it goes to search. There it is. Doesn't give me a solid beep, but I know that that's the breaker. Even though it's not, it's kind of going off and on. I know that that is the right breaker. I can't turn it off because everything will go black. But yeah, and then after it searches, it goes into this little search mode. Better go in here, make sure you can see what what I'm talking about. And yeah, right there you can see the little search. And then you just reset and go to your, oh, that goes to NVC and then goes back to learning. So, yes. And then just hold down the, oh, I forgot to show you. It has a little flashlight, it has a light on it too. Your little flashlight. It's not super bright, but you know, if you just need to see a panel, you don't need much of a light for that. And you don't want to run your batteries down too quick. So everything's powered off. It all goes right back into its little case. Turn it off. What do we got here? And Klein makes one of these that, from what I understand from the reviews, is very nice, but it doesn't come with the extras. It doesn't come with these extra little cords and stuff. And it gave you some more information on this screen that the person was talking about that I don't remember exactly what it was. For my purposes, I determined that for my backyard electronicon, this is going to suit me just fine. And but watch the reviews on the Klein, because it does have a few different, or at least one different feature that I know of on this one. So yeah, I hope this helps you make a decision one way or another. Thanks for watching. I'm happy with my new tool. Thank you, KAIWEETS. Have a great day.